morning children. We have already discussed about renewable and non-renewable resources, differentiate between living resources and non-living resources. We are going to see about today most significant resource for existing life, which is nothing but water. So water is a significant resource for existing life. So water is a unique natural resource as it is very much essential for the existence of life. So without water there is no existence of life. For everyone, each and everyone in this world, they require water for their existence of life, and in most cases there is no substitute for water. So water, there is no substitute. Water is a largely irreplaceable resource, unlike energy which has alternatives. So energies have alternatives, but water, there is no irreplaceable. And in most of the cases there is no substitute for water. This is important. There is no substitute for water. And water, in nature water can change its form, but we can able to retrieve it. For example, ice, if it becomes ice, if you eat it will become water. If you eat the water it becomes vapor. If you condense the water, again it will become water only. So water may change its form, state, but again we can able to retrieve. Retrieve means again we can able to recollect it. And earth holds some amount of water. In that 71% of earth's surface is covered by water. 71% of earth is covered by water only. In that nearly 97% of water is held in oceans. So nearly 97% of water on earth is held in oceans. Oceans water is contained salt water. We cannot able to use ocean water for our regular uses. And 0.01% of water occurs in atmosphere in the form of water vapor, as a water vapor. So 97% we can found in oceans, 0.01% we can found in the atmosphere as a water vapor, and 2.4% we can found in polar ice caps, the form of ice. Okay, remaining water we can found in rivers, lakes and ponds. So these are the existence. We can found the water in this ponds, and it is estimated that the average consumption of water by a human being ranges from 20 liter to 30 liter per day. So per day one human being is using 20 liter to 30 liter per day, depending on their activity and place of living. So depending on this two, according to their activity and their place of living, they are using 20 to 30 liters of water, but nowadays they are using more than 30 liters also. Okay, and water is used for various activities, for cleaning, drinking, washing, agricultural purposes. And one more use also is there. Water is used as a fire extinguisher also. But in those things, which particular field is using more water? Exactly agricultural field. States like Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, over 85% of irrigation done through groundwater level only. They are using over 85% for their irrigation. Irrigation is nothing but agriculture. And we have been misusing water in the various ways. We should not pollute the water. We have to save the water. So some of the problems related to water in our country are scarcity. Scarcity is nothing but shortage of water, overuse and unequal distribution. These are the three problems related to water. One is scarcity and overuse and unequal distribution. The annual rainfall in the country is 400 million hectometer. So this is enough to distribute equally. But what we are doing? Overuse. We are wasting the water. And unequal distribution. Because of these two things we are getting scarcity of water, shortage of water. And we can see distribution of water on earth. So 97% salt water, which we cannot able to use for regular use, and only 3% we have fresh water. In this fresh water also we are not getting directly 3%. You can see next in that 68.7% ice caps in the form of ice, and in that 30.1% is groundwater, and 0.9% is others, and 0.3 is only, how much is it? 0.3 only surface water. Okay, and you can see the third diagram. In that 87% water is we can found in lakes, and 11% swamps and 2% rivers. This is nothing but low-lying area which we are not using for cultivating. It is always, this place is wet area. Okay, so today we are discussing about water. Water is the essential resource and it is most significant resource. So we should not waste the water. Today what we are doing, we should not waste the water, we should not pollute the water. We have to save the water. What are the three major problems related to water? Scarcity, overuse and unequal distribution. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, children. Thank you.